Welcome to Kendriya Vidyalaya Udi. Good afternoon, dear students. This is the video representation of first chapter for class ninth from English textbook Beehive, and the topic is The Fun They Had, presented to you by Miss Sarish. Before starting with the summary, let's first talk about the author. Born on January 2nd, 1920, in Petrovichy, Russia, Isaac Asimov immigrated with his family to the United States and became a biochemistry professor while pursuing writing. He published his first novel, that is Pebble in the Sky, in 1950. He was one of the most prolific authors of fiction. Dear students, by fiction we mean something that is invented and is not true. Asimov died in New York City on April 6, 1992. Here are some characters of this very chapter. Margie. Margie is an 11 years old girl who hates school. Tommy. Tommy is a 13 years old boy. Mrs. Jones. Margie's mother. Mechanical teacher. He teaches to Margie and Tommy. He teaches them different subjects and he works on the television screen. That's on computer. And we are going to elaborate these characters. First one is Margie Jones. Margie Jones is the main character and one of the protagonists of the story. The story is set in her house and she often leads the conversation with the other protagonist, that is Tommy. After Tommy found a physical book in his home, Margie talks to him about what it would have been like to go to a real school. Showing her inquisitive personality, she, along with Tommy, conclude that it would have been much more fun to go to a real school rather than be taught by a robotic teacher. Second comes Tommy. Tommy is the neighbor of Margie Jones and the protagonist of the story. Along with Margie, he contemplates what life would have been like if children went to actual school buildings. He is the one that brought a book from his attic to Margie's house that sparked this conversation. Tommy also mentions that his grandfather had gone to an actual school with human teachers. And last comes the robotic teacher. Although not shown much in the story, the robotic teacher is presumed to be the antagonist of the story. By antagonist, we can say a kind of villain. Although it cannot be proven that the teacher is as bad as the children say it is, the book portrays advanced technology in general as a bad thing. Rather, it is better to have a human instructor that can infuse emotion into lessons. Let's start with the introduction of the chapter The Fun They Had. The Fun They Had by Isaac Asimov is a science fiction. It tells the story of two young children named Tommy and Margie who lived in the year 2157, where children get an education through computers at their home. One day they come through a printed book and learn something about the school that existed hundreds and hundreds of years ago. It is a matter of great surprise for them because they are living in the age of moving e texts. Dear students, the lesson is basically a futuristic story. Now we have the summary of the lesson. The year is 2157 and children are no longer going to school, or at least traditional school. Instead, there is a room in each child's home that is designated for schooling. One on one tutoring is often thought of as a good thing, but not when the teacher is a robot and lacks the emotion found in a regular classroom. One day, Margie Jones speaks with her neighbor Tommy about a book that he had found in his attic. His grandfather had spoken to him of the days long ago that children used to uh, go to a large building with human teachers. The two ponders what this must have been like and note the dry lectures that their robotic teacher gives them. Saddened that they cannot go to a normal school like these children once did, they think of all the fun they had in a more spirited learning environment. Although they were technically learning the same thing in both periods of time, the children realized that it was better to learn in a human based environment rather than one a little too dependent on technology. Dear students, I hope you all have understood the chapter well. I mean the summary. Now here is the theme. Theme means the central idea. The central idea is based on the technology. In this chapter, Asimov is trying to prove that too much technology is not a good thing. All the technology can often help humans to do things better. It cannot be used a replacement for human intellect. The robotic teacher in the story represents what technology can do to harm a generation. And here, in order to enrich your vocabulary, you have been given some of the words with their meanings. First one is attic, that means a space just below the roof used as a storeroom where Tommy found his old book. Mechanical means using tools and devices. Inspector means an investigator who observes carefully. Progress means gradual improvement or growth or development. Dispute means have a disagreement over something. Note has been given to you, dear students. Find out some more difficult words from this chapter and try to find their meaning by using dictionary. And at the end, you have been given homework, and in writing section, what kind of school would you want to have in future? Second one is how much will the computer be involved in the future education? Will you feel more happy in a more developed high-tech society? And in reading section you have read one page of your textbook daily at bedtime and learn spellings of the difficult words. Second question is read any short story of your choice and narrate it to your siblings. Stay safe, happy and healthy. Thank you and have a nice day.